Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem which occurs in Git when you try to push your changes to your main branch using Git, and you have provided your username and password for Git, and you execute this git push origin command, and you see the error which is called support for password was removed, right? So let's see how we can solve this problem. And you can see this says that support for password authentication was removed on this date. Please see this thing. So you can't anymore authenticate with this method. Now, in order to authenticate, you need a new kind of method, which I'm going to show you. So if you're using this kind of method, it will not work because it was removed, right? So go to your GitHub account, and here click on your user profile and then click on settings. And then on the left hand side, go at the very bottom where you see developer settings, and then click on personal access tokens. You can create a fine-grained token which is in beta right now, and the token which is classic token, right? So you can click on classic token, and then you can generate a new classic token from here. Click on generate new token, and then click on generate new token, which is the classic token. You can give any note to your token. Let's say I am giving the note my token here. You can choose the expiration date. I can just give a custom expiration date. I want to expire this token in 1 or 2 days, so I'm going to just give a very short expiration, because I'm doing this for the demonstration purposes. You might want to give the expiration, for example, for 90 days, or you can also choose no expiration also. Then you can select the scope. So I can just select all these scopes here, so that I can do all the actions using this token, right? So I'm going to choose all these options here. So you can also choose all these options one by one, right? So you can see I have chosen all the options, and then click on generate token, and then this is the token which is created, right? Now in my case, I can copy this token and save this at some location. You can see, make sure you copy your personal token. You won't be able to see it again, right? So you need to copy this and paste it somewhere where you can access it again. I'm going to paste it on the editor, and then you need to edit this command with this token, right? So the token is this one. I'm going to replace this token here in place of token. I'm going to give this command in the description of this video, so you can also use this command. Then you need to give the username, right? So in my case, my GitHub username is pknowledge, right? So I can just open the repository once again, and you can see this is the username here, and this is the repository name. You can copy both of them, right? And then you can replace this, and you can replace this here in place of username and repository name. So username in my case is pknowledge, and the repository name is hello_test, right? Let me copy this command here and then paste it inside my repository. I'm going to just paste this command and then press enter. And now once again, I'm going to give the command git push origin main and then press enter. And this time you can see my push is successful. So once you see this kind of output, this means that this new file is pushed into my repository. So I can go to my repository. You can see previously it only contained readme.md file. When I refresh this, I can see hello.py file also, right? I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.